In front of me is XIAOMI 13, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you will switch on or off incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on this switcher next to haptic feedback to turn on or off feedback for gestures and system controls. If you decide to activate it, you can also manage intensity of it by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!